Good morning! I hope you're doing great, my dear friends. A young mouse in search of adventure was running along a bank of a pond where lived a frog. When the frog saw the mouse, he swam to the bank and croaked. The frog said, "Won't you pay me a visit? I can promise you a good time if you do." The mouse did not need much coaxing, for he was so much anxious to see the world and everything in it. But though he could swim a little, he couldn't dare going into the pond without some help. The frog had a plan. He tied the mouse leg to his leg with a tough reed. Then into the pond he jumped, dragging his foolish companion with him. The mouse soon had enough of it and wanted to return back to the shore. But the treacherous frog had other plans. He pulled the mouse down under the water and drowned him. But before he could untie the reed that bound him to the dead mouse, a hawk came sailing over the pond. Seeing the body of a mouse floating on the water, the hawk swooped down, seizing the mouse, and carried it off, with the frog dangling from its leg. Thus, at one swoop, he had both caught meat and fish for his dinner. The moral lesson of this story, my friends: those who seek to harm others often come to harm themselves through their own deceit. Be very open and transparent, because eventually what goes around comes around. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.